Hey CryptoNation, today we're going to look at a term you've probably seen a lot when staking your crypto, APY, or annual percentage yield. Let's break down what it is and why it matters and how it impacts your earnings. In simple terms, APY stands for annual percentage yield, and it represents the total amount of interest you can earn on your crypto holdings over a year. Unlike APR, or annual percentage rate, APY takes into account the effects of compound interest, meaning that you're earning interest not just on your initial stake, but also on the rewards you've already earned. That's the magic of compound interest. Here's how it works. Let's say you're staking one of your favorite cryptocurrencies and you're earning 5% APY. Every time you receive a staking reward, that reward gets added to your balance and you start earning interest on the new higher balance. Over time, your rewards snowball, or compound if you will, increasing your overall yield. The more frequently interest compounds, whether it's weekly, daily, or every epoch, the more your earnings will grow. If you're restaking, APY helps you understand how much you'll earn over time. The higher the APY, the more your holdings will grow, especially when compounding takes place frequently. When you're comparing different assets to start earning a reward on, it's a good idea to compare rates. A higher APY might mean better rewards, but don't forget to consider factors like fees, lockup periods, market volatility, and network congestion, as these things can also impact your overall earnings. Now, let's learn how to check the APY of your favorite asset using your Exodus wallet. First with the Web3 wallet for Chrome and Brave and mobile app, and then with the desktop app. Open Exodus in the asset you're staking. Click the staking icon and you'll see the APY. In mobile, tap Staking. Here you'll see all stakeable assets in Exodus Mobile and their current APY. On the desktop, click on the Portfolio tab. Click APY Rewards to filter by stakeable assets. And that's it. APY, in a nutshell, is a powerful way to grow your crypto holdings through the magic of compound interest. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you would like to learn more about crypto and earnings, click any of these videos to keep watching.